to this immersive experience. I am Alicia Hernandez and I am the head of the Transplant Procurement Management unit of this hospital. Today you will be able to experience firsthand the work of a Spanish tertiary referral hospital. Our goal will be to show you the organizational model for organs and tissue donation and transplantations here in Spain, as well as to help you understand the role of the TPM and its coordination with other linked services and professionals. This hospital is a referral hospital for approximately 450,000 people. Now I would like you to meet Francisco, who is the medical director of the emergency care unit, and Paula, who is the emergency nursing supervisor. They will explain to you how the room is organized in terms of tasks, staff, units, and space. Francisco.
Hello, good morning. Our team is formed by 100 doctors, 120...
These three tasks are very important and they must be carried out simultaneously, but the right to donate must be prioritized. Right. So all these timings must be respected because otherwise the organs could get harmed.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Thanks. 48-year-old man suffered a cardiac arrest.
Once cardiac death has been certified, the potential DCD donor is transferred to this box, which is fully equipped for properly handling the Category 2 DCD donors.
Thank you for your interest in the liver transplant unit. We have a waiting list of approximately 100 patients, a figure that has been relatively stable for the last few years.